I want to draw attention to how in physics, if you shine a light in a box, it will start weighing more, even though light has no weight. This is proven. The mass of the box will increase. And I think there's a connection between that and that our human bodies weigh less at the point of death, that we lose a few ounces. I think it's very much kind of a picture of how we are beings of light. Okay, and I want to scroll back and explain more of this. Physics can be useful because it gives us this little bit of a different perspective than our usual daily experience. It gives us a lens to look at ourselves, a dispassionate lens. Yeah. So we know this, that if you trap light in a box, that will increase the weight of the box, even though light has no mass. So with us, scientists know that we emit light. It's not visible to our eyes, but you can register it on machines. And we all know that we're warm. We all know that we're warm. And of course, after death, we go cold. So one of the reasons given that we emit light, one of the things the scientists are saying right now, is that it's caused by our metabolic processes, by things like digestion, that this leaves us with light photons leaving us. So, and I'm sure that's a concrete reality explanation. But I think there's a much bigger reason for it beyond this, which is we're beings of light. And if we're part of God. We're figures that our soul is dreamed up in order to have this experience here on earth. Yeah. And if you were doing something like that, creating this big theater of the earth, you'd have to have some kind of process to reflect this light that we are, like some process in us that reflects the truth of us, that we're light. And that we come from beyond here. And there's a much bigger reason for our existence.